Welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, and we're here. Let me show you what happened. The project car totaled, retotaled. We're here with police and everybody. So we had just fixed it. Not gonna put Chelly on camera, testing it out to see, making sure everything was good. The check engine light was on. I changed the gas cap, everything was on. We're test driving it because we're just about to sell it and it didn't go as planned. So be careful when repairing certain cars, especially this one already had a salvage title. So be careful when repairing certain cars. The gas pedal got stuck, went right into the wall. So I'm not glad it happened to us, but I'm glad it happened to us instead of somebody else who would potentially purchase the car. This is definitely going to be expensive because it's into the wall. The airbags were deployed. But yeah, so be very careful because you never know what type of car that you're gonna get. Again, we rarely drive it. We just purchased the new tires for it. They're gonna be in here next week. Like I said, I had her drive it, test drive it right before we came out here. I mean, right before I was about to sell it. I had somebody on the line who was gonna buy it for their sister. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna repair it again, just sell it for parts. But yeah, so just be very careful, guys. It's Carl's Garage video. I'll give you guys an update. Once we get it towed home, we gotta pay for it to get towed home. Right up the block, right over there, and then that's gonna be it. Oh, all right, she's in neutral. All right, she's in neutral. Shout out to Northway Wrecking Service. Appreciate you.
All right, I'm gonna just pull it up nice and slow, okay?
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. All right.